Who this with this morning? Because it's a disrespect. I don't care. Not for Jamaican artists, them now me say I be hypocrite. And I saw when me talk now, everybody say, oh, he hate Foota and then become Foota enemy. Because me see no found I be hypocrite.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, so now we are trained.
So it look like the controversy surrounding Versus and Bunty and Beenie will just not come to an end. You remember when Bunty and Beenie did forget to do the Versus clash, there was controversy surrounding it as far as Tony Mataran and Major Hype speaking them opinion. Well people, that is the talk of the town again. Bunty, Beenie and Versus. Let me tell you now what go on. So just yesterday Billboard put out a cover photo paying tribute to Swizz Beatz, Timbaland and the Versus platform. And people, them left off Bunty and Beenie a fight. Now Bunty and Beenie, who no know, was the biggest acts pan Versus. So how could Billboard do something like that? Well people, it caused controversy. And we are going to talk about it, you know. I have even a video for you to listen. But before that, more want to check out the artist here because the man talk about a whole heap of things. Alright?
With them, you have this man, with them. With them, with the rod of correction. With them, that they ride with them. With them, with the rod of correction. With them, you have this man, with them. With them, with the rod of correction. With them, that they ride with them. With them, with the rod of correction.
So the artist that him name Yavis Man. Some people call him Daddy Rai. And people, Daddy Rai address some of the artists them in the business who him feel like need to get a whipping. You understand? Because the man has say, yo, some of them really need to buckle up. Right? Now, him address couple artists as you can see from the photo. The Doctor de Pande, you understand? Kolonji de Pande, Capleton de Pande. Yo, the man address couple artists well. Now, the writer so the next clip I'm gonna play, the man address the fireman himself, right? Yavis man say, yo, fireman.
Capleton sent me where you come from. A long time you abandon Babylon. Babylon money build up your mansion. Fire, fire, you love fire, fire. Profit, profit, you love profit, profit. I wonder what kind of profit is it?
Hold on. Who the hear where Yavis man say a while ago, the man talk up, but remember, you know, Capleton is the fireman for joke. No, here the man say, profit, Capleton and the profit. You understand? I moniker that. And the man say, yo, Babylon money, build up your mansion. I wonder why you profit. Wonder why Yavis man try to get that.
Rod of correction. Beenie man, what the house you come from? You are one like you are the champion. Make me ask you one question. Dan Mafia write your hit song. You remember TC competition? Yellow man him a the true champion. Dana one. You come first and you come second.
Boy, it look like Yavis man try to start a fire, you know. Yavis man look like you are trying to start a fire. All Dan Mafia name get dry night. Yavis man, careful. But make we listen to Yavis man chorus, cause the chorus I say whip them. Check it out.
Whip them, Yavis man, whip them. With the rod of correction. Whip them, Daddy Rai, whip them. The rod of correction. Whip them, Yavis man, whip them. Correction. With them, Daddy Rai, with them. Rod of correction. Bob Marley in come from sentence. Burning Spirit come from sentence. Marcus Garvey come from sentence. This man in come from sentence. Watch how me long and you watch how me tall. Break down barriers and break down walls. Smoke chalwa but me no use drizzler. The next song me sing after the one sizzler.
The man said the next song him sing I go be for sizzler. You know me I go look out for ear what the man a say about Kolonji, right? People, if you don't want to check out Yavis man, all him social media details will be down in the description. YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, everywhere. I'll go be down in the description. So you can go find Yavis man and check him out and give him a strength. Alright, now back to the topic. Bunty Killa, Beenie Man versus Swizz Beatz, Timbaland. Let me tell you now what go on. So as me say now, Billboard put out a cover photo of, you know, paying tribute to the whole Versus platform. And on that photo, which is this right as up on the screen, Beenie Man and Bounty Killa is nowhere in sight. Now, as you know, Bounty Killa and Beenie Man was the biggest performance on versus, bringing over 500,000 people and probably even more, depending on the other different platforms that did stream it, right? Now, wouldn't feel like this is a disrespect that the two dancer legends get left off totally? Now, a whole heap of people are speak out against this. Swizz Beatz created a whole different cover art. Now, it's clear that this is a photoshopped cover art. We don't know if a Swizz Beatz do it or somebody do it, but Swizz Beatz upload this and say, yo, you know, Billboard, thanks for the recognition, but I feel like this right here so would have been the right representation because Bounty and Beenie do good. Well, he never said that exactly, but on the see it on the screen what him say. You understand? Now, people, even Bounty and Beenie posted back to for them IG, and on the screen you can see where Bounty posts, right? Now, people, listen me. Foota Hype have something to say about this. Make we take a listen. Because Foota Hype feel like say, yo, it was a big time disrespect.
You can't cuss Billboard and not cuss Swizz Beatz and not cuss Timbaland. Waste of time you cuss Billboard. If you not cuss Timbaland and cuss Swizz Beatz, you not cuss nobody. If you notice carefully, I wasn't the first person who posted that, but I was the first person to tag Swizz Beatz and tag Timbaland. Because I never beg no friend. More and them see when me I say. Now other people in our music post it, but them never tag Timbaland and them never tag Swizz Beatz. So them not really care for Swizz Beatz and Timbaland see it. Them just want the Jamaican crowd see it. That a hypocrite business. Me not join that. Foota Hype not play that. Zine, me make sure tag them. Cause see me when people tag me, me see it. And me respond if me want, me not respond if me want. But me see it. And so me know so them I got see when Foota Hype tag them. So me never hide from see if them tag them. Because me not care if 20 years up the line. Then see me and say, oh, you the one who tag me. Yeah, me did tag you because you style with thing. But some people are look for long-term kiss-ass business. Them no want to tag them because they want to see them later and say, oh, Swizz, what's up? Oh, Timbaland, what's up? Yeah, me still like I say, what's up, you know, but me not take back what me bunny out for. Or you cuss Billboard if you not cuss Swizz and Timbaland. How that work? Remember say all them things work. Timbaland and Swizz Beatz get a copy of the cover there before that even come out. If them would have a problem, say Bounty and Beenie never depend it, them would have rebel about that long time. Them not rebel. Furthermore, Timbaland posted on him page. That means that him approve of the cover not having Bounty and Beenie on it. So even Bounty and Beenie, me see a post and a cuss Billboard. So when I cuss Timbaland and Swizz Beatz, hypocrite behavior. And uno me a defending a Bounty and Beenie, but uno be hypocrite. Uno fit tag Swizz Beatz, tag Timbaland, and tag Billboard. I three of them uno for cuss. Uno cuss Billboard like Billboard alone doing something. And a Billboard alone doing something. Remember me start cuss phone before I even cuss phone myself this morning. But uno let me down now. Cause uno come up a post and a comment about Billboard. I mean, so now comment about Swizz Beatz and Timbaland. If me never rebel and couple of the people and start put it out there now, and them say the people are rebel, them would even go make one little Photoshop something with Bounty and Beenie for it. And Billboard still not post that. So it still not count. Swizz and Timbaland just have to try to save face and I never Timbaland. Because Swizz could do that and post it first and then call Timbaland and say, Timmy, yo, these Jamaicans, man, they're crazy. They will burn us out. They'll unfollow the page. Put it up. And Tim go put it up. Tim no business. Timbaland no business. So I want to know. At them style I make we now get the respect what we deserve. See? Then now, our giant, them Bounty and Beenie, I got put up something and I cuss Billboard. But when I play hypocrite and now cuss Timbaland and Swizz Beatz. All that work. How that work? You better when you never say nothing then Bounty and Beenie and make we cuss. Make the fans them cuss. Make the players cuss. Because if you not go tag Billboard and about Billboard you want to be that guy and how Billboard if you know my gun them still there out. So I want to Swizz and Timbaland. We own the platform. We get the cover before it put out. We never try defend on integrity. Them never say, yo, oh, Bunty and Beenie up on this. Now put out this. Swizz and Timbaland and Billboard this Bunty and Beenie and this Jamaica and this dancehall and this reggae. So owner cost Billboard alone.
People in the hear what Foota hype of say, and me agree with him in certain cases, right? If you don't want to watch the full thing, you can click down right here. So check out Foota hype YouTube page, Survivor, Godcast. The link will be down in the description, and you can hear everything with Foota hype say, right? Now people, let me tell you this. Me agree with Foota hype because remember, before Billboard even put out that, me sure them send it to Swizz Beatz and Timbaland them to approve it first. Right? And if them did have an issue with it, them should have do that before it was even posted. Right? So, me agree with Foota hype right there. So, people, watch out, talk to me down in the comment section. Let me hear your views on this. As long as your comment makes sense, then I will definitely respond. Alright? Until the next video, no matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable, and I'm out.
Want to boost traffic to your business or get more ears listening to your music? Don't know where to start? Let us help you. Advertise with Unstoppable Media and get noticed today. Contact us at 876-420-3368 or email us at xtrailplayer@gmail.com. That's xtrailplayer@gmail.com. Let us put you in front of our audience today.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.